Update on Mullen Automotive today. I've been following this stock ever since it hit the end of the third wave on March 21st. I made 4 or 5 videos on it, and today it finally bottomed out. If you watch the past videos, I said I was looking for about $1.96 to be the bottom, or $2 to be the bottom. We didn't get there today, and luckily I was thinking when we were around in this area right here, this fifth wave didn't look very strong. And I was also thinking that we had already made the third wave right here at 223. And I was thinking if they really wanted to screw out people that are waiting for the dip, they would just bring it down here to 220 or so and maybe match it up with this bottom right here, which is exactly what they did. And they won't fill this gap right here at 210. And so I put an order at 221 for only 800 shares. I didn't do a big order because I was still thinking we were going to go down to $2, and I was going to get the bulk of my shares around that area. So I got filled at 221, and then of course everyone knows what happened. We got this pop. And really, now looking at the chart, I should have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, and then this right here would be the start, because that would be the 1, 2. And so I got filled right here, though, at the end of the fifth wave by only putting that order there, because I know how market makers work. And if they see a bunch of orders down here at $2 and a gap fill, the most obvious gap fill ever, they're probably going to stop it short of that to screw out all those buyers and then reverse it. So I got 800 shares here. I had like 3,000 shares down in here. Didn't get, unfortunately. But I ended up selling around 295. So I didn't get the full move. But and now looking at the chart, I should have waited a little bit more because we are 1, 2, 3, 4, and looks like 5 should go up here to about 330 or 345. I'm not overall that mad. I mean, I still made $600, so not a bad day. But I could have had a lot better day if I would have had a better entry. So it's whatever. It happens. But if you make profit, it's all good. So tomorrow I'm looking for 330 to 345, and I think tomorrow is earnings. Let's double check this real quick. If 330 to 345 is the right level. Yeah, I would say 333 to 346. So we're going to hit right here in this resistance area. And I would say if that's going into earnings, hit earnings tomorrow, and we hit that, then I would be selling into earnings 100%. But it's actually more likely that we'll hit this in the morning. You know, I got to look up and see what earnings are. Are they before the bell, or let's see. It says today. I don't know. I guess I'm not up to date on that. But if earnings are today, which I'm not looking at where they are, then I would expect a gap up tomorrow and then a sell-off. If we hit about 340, then I would look for a pullback all the way to 280 to 266. And that would be a good buy because this is only the first wave of the overall fifth wave. And so if we do go to 330, let's see where this can go to. $19. We can go all the way to I think there's a good chance, like I said in the previous videos, we stopped short of this, but I think there's a good chance we're still going to hit the same level I've been talking about for a long time. And just like today, where it missed the gap fill, we could see that again, where we are going on the fifth wave and everyone's waiting to sell right up here at the gap fill. And instead it stopped short. We get stopped at 450, 460, and that's the end of this move. So yeah, so summary, we're looking for 330 to 345, 266 to 280, then like 420 or so, and then 383, and then maybe 450 to 490, depending on if they want to do this gap fill or not. So there's upside to be had here for sure. There's another 50% plus from $3, but I'm not buying here. I guess I could make 10%, but I'm probably going to wait for the dip, buy, and then hopefully the third wave can take us to like 420. And if you buy at 270, what is that? That's like a 50 or 60% gain right there. So a good day overall. That was such an unexpected move. I wasn't even paying attention, and all of a sudden I just see up 25%. And then I followed it, and I got out around $3, so made a good profit. But this move is just getting started. I'm not up to date on when the earnings are. Maybe they're right now. But again, you're looking for $4.50 to $5 by the end of this move. And that will most likely be the end of the move. So that's the update for today. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And I will try to go over the stock here again soon, probably by the end of the week.